Good morning, children. So today we are going to start our next topic, that is standard form of pair of linear equation in two variables. So we will see what is the standard form of pair of linear equation in two variables. Now you see a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Then a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So this is the standard form of a linear equation. Means a linear equation, a pair of linear equation will exactly look like this. Okay, means this is the standard form. Standard form. Now let us try to see some example. Twice x plus 5y plus 4 is equal to 0. Then 3x plus 7y plus 7 is equal to 0. Now you see here. So if we compare this pair of linear equation with the standard form, what is the value of a1? a1 is 2. What is b1? b1 is 5. What is c1? It is 4. Similarly, a2 is 3, b2 is 7, and c2 is what? 7. Okay. So like this we can compare a pair of linear equation in two variables with the standard form. Alright. But in some questions you will get this constant term in the right side. It does not have any problem. ये जो constant term होगा, constant term right side में भी हो सकते हैं. Okay, but it look like this only. Alright. So this is about the standard form of a linear pair of linear equation in two variables. So in the last class we have discussed how to find out the solution of a pair of linear equation in two variables. Alright. Means how to find out the value of this x and y. Okay, so you learned in the previous class that a pair of linear equation in two variables has how many solutions? Yes, they have unique solutions. Means you will get one value of x and one value of what? Y. So for that we are going to discuss four processes, that is by graphical method, by elimination method, by variable separable method, and by cross multiplication method. Okay, that one we'll discuss little bit after little bit. Okay. Now you see, when you draw the graph of the pair of linear equation in two variables, you will see sometimes you may get the graph like this, intersecting line. So two graph, 1, 2, because two equations are there. Okay, it is a pair of linear. So obviously we will get two graphs. So sometimes you will get the graph like this. Okay, intersecting line. This is called intersecting line. This is called intersecting line. Alright. And second, you will get, sometimes you may get a parallel graph like this. Okay. We will discuss more about this one in the coming topic. Sometimes you will get parallel line. Okay, and sometimes you will get what? Coincident line. Coincident means one graph will lie upon another like this. This is the first line, and the second line, second graph will lie upon the first one. Means this is called coincident line. So sometimes we will get the graph like this. Okay, एक का ऊपर एक से बैठा रहेगा graph. Okay, this is called coincident line. Okay, so this is the standard form of a linear standard form of pair of linear equation in two variables. And what type of graph we will get while we draw the graph of this pair of linear equation in two variables? So intersecting lines. Sometimes we may get parallel line, and sometimes we may get what? Coincident line. So that much about standard form of linear equation in two variables. Alright. Now we will go to our next topic, that is exercise 3.1. Okay, and after that we will go for the next topic, that is the graphical method to find out the solution of pair of linear equation in two variables. So now we'll go for the next one, that is exercise 3.1. So come to the exercise 3.1. So here is one question. So let us try to discuss this question. After Teli's daughter, 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were then. After what he told his daughter, that 7 years ago, 7 साल पहले, I was 7 times old as you were then. आपने अपने अपना बेटी को क्या बोला? 7 साल पहले what was my age? I was 7 times as old as you. बेटी का एज जितना था 7 years पहले, उसका वो 7 times था बोल रहे. Okay. Suppose if I ask, if I say my 7 years ago, my age is 10 years more than you. Okay. So to know the means 7 years ago what was my age? Can you tell me? Now my age is, now my present age is, let us say 40 years. All right. मेरा अभी present age कितना है? 40 years है. Okay. तो 7 साल पहले 7 years ago what was my age? 40 minus 7. 40 minus 7 means how much? 33. Means to know that age, I should know my present age. Okay. Suppose after 10 years, I will be 50 years. Let us say after 10 years, my age will be what? 50 years. Okay, my age will be 50 years. Then how I will represent this one? My present age is 40. Okay. Then plus 40 plus 10 is equal to 50 years. So to know all these things, we should know the what? Present age. All right. Now in this question, in this whole question, what is unknown to you? That one you have to find out. Okay. So in my case, what is unknown? मैं 10 साल पहले मैं कितना एज था उसको जानने के लिए मुझे क्या जानना पड़ेगा? I should know my present age. Okay, my present age is 40. Then 10 years ago I was what? 40 minus 10 means I was 30 years on age. So I should know my present age to know what will be the age, what was my age 10 years ago, what will be the my age after what 10 years ago. Okay, after 10 years. So now here in this whole question, what is unknown to you? Yes, here the age of what is the present age of Aftab and what is the present age of daughter, that is unknown for us. So we have to first find out the unknown thing here. Alright, so we'll suppose let Aftab present age is equal to x years. आफ्ताब का प्रेजेंट एज कितना है? x years है, और डॉटर का and daughter's present is, let us say, y years. We are discussing about linear equation in two variables. That's why we have to suppose two different variables here. One is x, another one is y. Alright? Now come to the question, main part. Now you tell me. First of all, we will see up to this sentence, okay? After Teli's daughter 7 years ago, okay? Can you tell me what was the age of after 7 years ago? Yes, present age minus 7. Yes, after 7 years ago, after age will be how much? Present age. What is the age of after? Present age x. So x minus 7. This 7 from where it came? 7. This 7. Okay. And this minus sign, ego. If it is ego, you use minus, and if it is after, you add what? You use plus sign. Okay. So 7 years ago, after age will be how much? x minus 7, and 7 years ago daughter is, can you tell me what will be the daughter is? Daughter is equal to what? Y minus 7. Okay, so 7 years ago अब तो आपका एज इतना था और daughter का एज इतना था. ये हमने we understood that. Now come to the question. According to the question. So after tell his daughter, after आपने अपना बेटी को बोला 7 years ago I was 7 years ago after आपका एज कितना था? x minus 7. Okay. Okay, किसका बराबर था? Is equal to what? I was 7 times as old as you were then. बेटी का जितना एज था 7 years पहले उसका 7 times. Okay, उसका sorry उसका 7 times. 7 times. Times means into 7 times of his her daughter is 7 years ago means y minus 7. Okay, finish. Now you have to simplify and you have to bring in what? Standard form. So let us try. X minus 7 is equal to 7 into y, 7y, 7 into 7 7 is 49. Alright. Now x transpose this one to this side. So x minus 7y is equal to minus 49 minus 7. So what we got? Implies x minus 7y is equal to sorry, it is plus. If you transpose to that side, it will become plus 7. So it is minus 42. This is equation number 1. Clear? This is about the first condition. Now come to the second condition. What the second condition says. Alright? Second condition. I shall be 3 times as old as you. As old as you. Also from 3 years from now. After 3 years. Now after 3 years. After 3 years. After 3 years. What will be the after base? After base will be how much? X plus 3. Present is plus 3. And daughter is will be what? Daughter is y plus 3. Okay, after 3 years. This will be the after base and this will be the what? Daughter is y plus 3. Now what the question says? Also from 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Means after base. After 3 years, what will be the after base? X plus 3. Okay? After will be 3 times as old as daughter. Means बेटी का जितना एज था 3 years का बाद उसका 3 times means 3 into y plus 3 into after 3 years it will be the after base and then after 3 years after base will be 3 times the age of our daughter after 3 years means y plus 3. Alright, so now we have to simplify this one. So I will grab this portion, no need for this one now. So now x plus 3 is equal to 3 into y, 3y, 3 3 is 9. Okay, so x plus transpose this one, so this is minus 3y is equal to here 9 is there, this 3 transpose that side, it is minus 3. It will become x minus 3y, 9 minus 3, 6. This is equation number 2. So our equation number 2 we got. So represent this algebraically and graphically. So what the question says, you have to represent this one algebraically. So this is algebraically we have represented. Now what we have to do, so the second part, what we have to do, we have to draw the graph of this graph and this graph in a same graph paper you have to. That one I have given you, I have given as homework for you. That algebraically part I have did. Okay, that graphical part you have to do. Now what we have to do? You have to draw the graph. We are not going to find out the solution of x and y till now. Okay, we are just going to represent only. That solution part we will discuss in our next class. Alright. So now this part is for homework for you. Means now you have to represent this two equation in graphical form. Alright, you have to draw the graph. Okay, for drawing the graph, at least 2 points you have to take. Minimum 2 points. Maximum it is up to you. You can take. And remember, don't take what fractional number. Whenever you are taking the point, you know how to draw the graph. You have learned in class 9. And the first class also, in the previous chapter also, we learned how to draw the graph. Alright. Now, while drawing the graph, remember, try to avoid the fractional number. Only you take whole numbers only. Okay. So this that graph you have to draw and you have to submit it through my WhatsApp. Now we will go for the next question, that is question number 2. Alright. So come to the next question, that is the same question. The coach of a cricket team buy 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,900. Letter C, buy another bats and 3 balls of the same kind for rupees 1,300. Represent algebraically and graphically. I will do up to this part, represent algebraically. That graphical part you have to do as homework. So let us try to do this question. Okay, so first of all we will see up to this part. Okay, the coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,900. Okay, the coach, what he did, he purchased 3 bats, okay, and 6 balls together. Together he paid how much? He paid rupees 3,900 rupees. Okay. Clear? So now in this situation, can you tell me what is unknown to you? What is variable? What you will suppose that one x and y, that variable, what is unknown for you? Yes? Yes, the cost of 1 bat and cost of 1 ball. Okay? So here in this question, एक bat का दाम कितना है? एक बॉल का दाम कितना है, that is unknown for us. So we have to suppose cost of 1 bat is equal to x rupees and cost of 6 ball is equal to y rupees. And after that we will see the question. Okay. So let the cost of 1 ball is equal to rupees x. Again, let the cost of 1 bat is equal to rupees y. Okay? Clear? So now, you see, before going to the question, if I know cost of, I purchase 2 mango, let us say 2 mango and 2 apple for rupees, let us say 100. Okay, what I did? I purchased 2 mango and 2 apples for rupees 100. To tell how much I paid for 2 mango and 2 apples, rupees 100. Now what is unknown to you? Unknown here for you? Yes, it is the cost of 1 mango and cost of what? 2 apples. Okay, so what we will do here, let us say cost of 1 mango is 25 rupees, let us say. Cost of 1 mango is 25 rupees and cost of 1 apple is 25 rupees, let us say. So now how I will represent this one, how will represent the total cost here. So cost of 2 mango and cost of 2 apples is what? Total is 100 rupees. So how will you represent this one? I suppose cost of 1 mango is rupees 25 and cost of 1 apple is 25 rupees. So I will represent like this, 2 into 25. Okay, cost of 1 apple is 25 rupees. I purchase how many apples? I purchase, sorry, cost of 1 mango is 25 rupees. Cost of 2 mango, I purchase 2 mangoes. So 2 into 25 we have to write. 2 into 25 plus, now again here, I suppose cost of 1 mango, 1 apple is 25 rupees. So what will be the cost of 2 apples? So 2 into 25. So total how much? It is 100 or not? 225 was 50, then 225 is 50, 50 plus 50, 100. So how I will represent the total cost? Number of apples into cost of, number of mangoes into cost of one mango plus number of apples into cost of one apple. Okay, is equal to 100. So total I am representing like this. So this is just an example I saw how to get the equation. So now the first part. Now what we suppose in this question, don't just for your understanding I am writing this one. Okay, now what the question says? The question says cost of 3 bed. Cost of 3 bed. Now what is the cost of, so here cost of 3 bed. So here I will suppose this one as first bed is there. So no problem here also like this also you can write. So here I will write both. Okay. Cost of one bed is equal to rupees X we have supposed. Now how many bed that coach purchase? 3 bed. So 3 into X. 3 into X. Cost of one bed and cost of one bed like this, cost of one bed into how many beds the coach purchase? 3 bed he purchase. So 3 into X plus total cost I am writing. That's why I have given plus sign here. Then 6 balls. Okay, cost of one ball is how much? Y. And what is the cost of 6 ball? 6Y. So total cost is how much? 300,900. But that much only. We got the first equation. Alright. Now come to the second condition. Let us see by another bed and 3 balls of same kind. Okay. Let us see both how many bed? 1 bed and 3 balls. Okay. One bed he purchased and another 3 ball she purchased for rupees how much? 1,300 rupees. Okay. So this one how we represent? What is the cost of one bed? One bed cost is X. So we purchase one bed only. So 1 into X means X only plus. And how many balls she purchased? 3 balls. So 3 into, and what is the cost of one ball? Y. So 3Y. Total how much he paid? Rupees 1,300. Okay. This is equation number 2. Okay. So I represent this question algebraically. That is and that graphical part. This is homework for you. You have to do this one and you have to submit that one in my WhatsApp number. Okay, in WhatsApp, and I'll check it and I'll see whether it is correct or not. Okay, and the question number 3 is also homework for you. You have to represent that one algebraically and you have to represent that one geometrically also. Okay, so that much for